JGT current chair Sanjay Bhai Bhandari along with former chair Jayesh Bhai Shah up on the stage.
Jai Jinendra, can you hear me all right? I want to hear the back row speaking up. We're going to have a unified voice. When I say Jain's got, what you going to say? Again, it didn't come out right. When I say Jain's got, come on, everybody got to join. Jain's got, naturally, you're all wrong. You know why? Jains always have talent. Not the gut talent, it's a past. So stay with me. All of you have talent. And we're just going to go through quickly some housekeeping items. But before we do that, we're going to recognize sponsors. And also Jain's got talent. Music's coming up. Harsh, can you start, please? Harsh, go ahead. They're lining up. We have 3 great sponsors. While that's coming up, go ahead, start with the one. Uday Bhai, Jain and Rajiv Bhai Daga has been always with us sponsoring this event year after year. Please recognize them with both hands up.
Put your mic like this. Put your mic like this.
Please. Next one is Anup Bhai and Renukaben Vora. I believe they are in the audience. I would like them to come closer to the front later on as we request. But please recognize them also. I'm not seeing clapping properly. Please do that in respect from them. The third one, we had Bini Nanavati and Sujal Nanavati. They're also up-and-coming sponsors helping us out. Next thing, I just want to make sure, couple housekeeping items. Want to make sure that you have your cell phones turned off completely. If we catch you with a cell phone on, there's a $251 penalty. They'll go to Jaina and towards the Jain's Got Talent. Now, if we see you roaming around during performance in the middle of the aisle, is a bigger penalty. Can you guess? $301. We'll take it as a donation to Jaina. Please do not roam around while performance is going on. It's a disrespect and an insult to the performers. A lot of performers have put in great time to prepare, and we cannot get them distracted while you walk around all over the map. Please, please respect their performances. They've done a lot of hard work. I'm going to welcome now our new Jain's Got Talent Chair, Mr. Sanjay Bhandari. My name is Jayesh Sanghvi. I'm a co-chair. I'll be in and out to help out in the process.
Hello. Hello. Jai Jinendra, Chicago Sun. How are you?
Come on, guys. Come on.
So
Speak up.
So kudos to Atul Bhai, Vipul Bhai and Jignesh Jainji for producing such a wonderful event for 4 days, 5 days. So I'm very thankful to them. I would like to thank all the judges for helping us and all the wonderful audience. And before I start the program, I would like to say a few lines. आ देखें जरा किसमें कितना है दम जम के रखना कदम मेरे साथिया ये मैंने बोला किसी कंपटीशन के पहले बोलते हैं लेकिन जेंट्स गॉट टैलेंट की एक विशेषता है, जेंट्स गॉट टैलेंट में एवरीबडी इज विनर, वेदर समबडी इज इन ऑडिशन, सेमीफाइनल और फाइनल्स, or they're winning or not winning in the semi-final, everybody is a winner. So I would like to invite first 17 and under group, Molly Wadi group, and their group name is Shasan Rag Part 2 Piece. So let's see their performance, group performance. Thank you very much.
Pranam everyone, I am Jasmine Shah. We are from the Jain Center of New Jersey, Franklin Township, and are bringing this musical performance, Shashan Rag, Path to Peace. In embracing unity and diversity, using the expressive art of dance, our performance will remind us that though our paths may differ, peace is found when we walk together with purpose, compassion, and shared values. Directed and choreographed by Moli Shah and Shruti Shah from JCNJ Franklin Township. Participants are
Sanya Chef, Vani Mehta, Kiona,
Jasmine Shah,
Vrishti Mehta,
and Sashi Jain. Jai Jin Shashanam. Hope you enjoy.
महावीर तेरे जिन शासन की जो हमने विरासत पाई है, हाँ देख प्रभु तेरी संतानों ने तेरी छवि अपनाई है। ये बहते अश्कों की धारा बस लेना है, महावीर सा हमको बन जाना है। शासन हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा शासन हमारा है। शासन हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा शासन हमारा है। सदियों से ये जिन शासन दुनिया की शान है, शासन माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। शासन हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा शासन हमारा है। वंदे शासनम, 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 वंदे शासनम। मेरे शासन, मेरे शासन। शासन सोहे वीर मन मोहे, जिन शासन सोहे वीर मन मोहे। ध्वजा ऊंचे खेले भैया चढ़े हेले, ध्वजा ऊंचे खेले भैया चढ़े हेले। जिन शासन नो रंग मने लाग्यो लाग्यो, प्रभु वीर नो रंग मने लाग्यो लाग्यो। आजे आनंद अंग अंग जाग्यो जाग्यो, आजे आनंद अंग अंग जाग्यो जाग्यो। हो आजे आंगण गुलाल रंग जाम्यो जाम्यो,
आज आंगणे गुलाल रंग जाम्यो जाम्यो।
So now we are going to invite Araika and group from JSMC. They are going to perform a group again in 17 and under. judges. Welcome and give your introduction.
Jai Jananda, everyone. My name is Araika Jain, and together we are honored to present a semi-classical dance performance through which we reflect on the values ahimsa, compassion, and unity. I'm Vidisha, and we begin by showing Queen Trishula and the lovingly rocking baby, Mahavira. Her dreams and the birth of Mahavira were signs of hope and harmony entering the world. I'm Vihana Shah. The second part is a joyful celebration welcoming Bhagwan Mahavira into our hearts and into the world that needs peace now more than ever.
I'm Mariha Shah, and through graceful dance, expressive movements, and unity in our steps, we hope to remind everyone that peace begins within. And when we walk the path of kindness,
We become one, united in diversity, presenting through the eyes of Mahavira.
त्रिशिला झुलाए पालनिया में, त्रिशिला झुलाए अंबर से देखो बरसे घटाए, चंदा सा मुखड़ा मन में समाए। तनननदुम 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 ताना देरे तेरे ना त्रिशिला झुलाए। सावली सावली सूरत पे अब दिल आने लगा, सपने में मैं प्रभु को झुलाने लगा। जो डोर हाथ से खींची, जो लोरियां सुनाई है, वो चांदनी भी शर्मा के जमीन पे उतर के आई है। रौनक सी खिल उठी शामें, रातें भी जगमगाई है, मौसम भी खुशनुमा सा है, लगता कोई सगाई है। मावीरा मगदानी धनी सा मगदानी धनी सा गम ग म ग सानी द म ग म धनी सानी द म ग म धनी सा नी ध नी धनी सा धनी सा धनी सा धनी सा मरनी 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 धनी सा धनी सा धनी सा मरनी 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 सा मरनी सा मरनी सा मरनी सा सानी द म सानी द म सानी द म सानी द म मम ग ग सा सा नि नि सा सा नि नि ध नि नि सा सा नि नि ध ध मम ग ग सा सा नि नि ध ध धनी सा 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 नि ध सा 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 म ध सा सा सा। आज जागे भाग्य हमारे, आए हैं प्रभु द्वार हमारे। तूने किस्मत है सवारी, तू है बड़ा उपकारी, तू है शान हमारी।
Amazing girls. Amazing performance by Araika group. Now we are going to invite Nartan group led by Ami Lakhani from Detroit, Michigan.
Jai Janendra and Pranam. My name is Ritika Salecha. We represent the Jain Society of Greater Detroit, Nartan Group. Participants of the group are Ami Lakhani, Ritika Salecha, Jayashri Madani, Savita Jain, Shreya Shah, Veena Kavidya. We are presenting a devotional dance for Lord Mahavir, showing how people from different parts of our country unite together and celebrate the birth of Lord Mahavir. This dance is choreographed by Ami Lakhani.
प्रकाश तणो प्रगट्यो जुग जूनो अंधकार विदार तो भारत भाग्य रवि चमक्यो कोयल मोर करे कल शोर ने वायु वसंत नुवाई रह्यो क्षत्रिय कुंडनी कुंज मही त्रिशलाकु के पुत्र नु जन्म थयो त्रिशलाकु के पुत्र नु जन्म थयो त्रिशलाकु के पुत्र नु जन्म थयो
बाजे शहनाई ने साज प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ गाजे धरती आसमान प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ तन ने रंगाले आज मन ने रंगाले सब खुशियां मनावो आज प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ बाजे शहनाई ने साज प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ गाजे धरती आसमान प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ बाजे शहनाई ने साज प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ गूंजे प्रभु रे जय जयकार प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ बाजे शहनाई ने साज प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ गाजे धरती आसमान प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ बाजे शहनाई ने साज प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ तन ने रंगाले आज मन ने रंगाले सब खुशियां मनावो आज प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ बाजे शहनाई ने साज प्रभु रो जन्म हुओ गाजे धरती आसमान प्रभु रो
क्या बात है, आप लोगों को मजा आ रहा है? तो अगर आपको किसी के भी परफॉर्मेंस में मजा आए तो तालियां बजाएं, क्योंकि मैं आपको बता सकता हूं कि ये परफॉर्मर्स पिछले 6 महीने से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, तो उनको तालियां मिलती तो अच्छा लगता है. तो नाउ वी हैव लाइक 4th परफॉर्मेंस इन ग्रुप कैटेगरी 41 and above, and they are Rachna Kothari from Chicago and a beautiful combination, Rachna Kothari from Chicago and Akriti Pancholi from Texas. So combination of Texas and Chicago, and their group name is very interesting, Kal Belia Group. Kal Belia, welcome.
Jai Jinendra everyone. My name is Rachna Kothari. I'm from Chicago.
I'm Akriti Pancholi. I'm from Dallas, Texas. Any Dallas people? Texas one?
So today we are doing a Kalbelia dance. The Kalbelia dance is also known as Dance of Serpents, and it is a traditional folk dance originated from Kalbelia community of Rajasthan, primarily focused from Jaisalmer or Barmer. The dance is characterized by fluid, graceful movements of serpents. Dancers often wear long flowing black skirts with the mirror works and a lot of like mesmerizing visual effects as they move. I hope you enjoy our show. Thank you. Jai Jinendra.
केसरिया बालम आओ नी पधारो नी मारे देश रे
वो मेरा अस्सी कली का लहंगा देखो घूमा
Amazing. Rachna and Akriti. So this were our 4 group performances. Now we will have like all solo performances. So our 5th item in the solo is like under 17 and under solos. So we have 3 performances. The first performance is Siddhi Mehta, who is from Jain Center of North California. So she is going to play flute. Welcome, Siddhi.
Jai Janendra, everyone. My name is Siddhi Mehta, and I'm a rising 9th grader from the Jain Center of Northern California. Today, I have the honor of playing Gabriel's Oboe, a beautifully expressive piece of music. Though originally written for the instrument oboe, today I will be performing it on the Western flute. This simple yet powerful piece of music conveys the message of peace, hope, and compassion. This music tells the story of Father Gabriel, missionary who seeks to connect with the Guarani natives, not through words, but through music. As he plays his music by a waterfall, the gentle notes reach their hearts, and a bond is formed rooted in trust and harmony. This quiet act of compassion tells the story of Jainism, specifically ahimsa and compassion for all living beings. As the melody flows, it exhibits the fundamental ways of living a Jain life, with inner harmony, humility, and kindness. As I play Gabriel's oboe, I hope it illustrates peace and compassion through every note. Thank you.
Amazing performance, Siddhi. So we have now Achila Nageshwara from Aurora, Illinois. Please welcome somebody from Michigan, no, not Michigan, but from Illinois, Chicago, Illinois.
Jai Janendra. This performance starts with a jati, or a fast-paced dance movement, and then we transition to a storyline on a girl who is caught stealing from a woman. The woman, possessive of her things, gets extremely angry at the girl, inciting her to lie. They quarrel until they hear a Swamiji's preaching and realize that arguing over trivial matters diminishes their purpose. So at the end, they end up unifying with this understanding, showing the importance of unity despite their differences. The dance then transitions to a jati once more. Thank you.
Pani mama, saga nisa pani mama, saga nisa pani mama, nida dagadim tari kida tom naach rahe gori tam didam teri tare kida dagadim tari kida tom naach rahe gori tam didam teri tare kida dagadim
Thank you, Achla. So now we are looking for a cute boy. His name is Sanel Unawat. He is from Miami, Florida. Luckily, I was the judge in the last convention, and I judged him also. I will not say whether he win or lose. Welcome.
Jai Janendra, everyone. My name is Sanay Amit Danavat, I'm a proud Pathshala student from the Jain Center of South Florida, Miami. Being an Indian American kid, I have deep respect for both of my countries and for the brave soldiers that protect them. And this connection reflects the true essence of unity and diversity. Thank you, JGT, for giving me this opportunity to perform today. I'm going to use this to respect my heritage and my family, of course. And yeah, thank you.
एक तेरा नाम है साचा हो एक तेरा नाम है साचा मन मेरी आने पाचा बस नाम तेरा माँ
नाम नहीं एक जश्न है भारत रग रग में है जीत की आदत ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे सूरज हम तेरे उजाले तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के जय हिंद जो नस नस में है हर बाजी फिर बस में है जिद जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम ओ मारे या कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हम नाज है जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना चाहो तो हमको आज़माना यारबाज़ हम जालसाज़ हम इश्क़बाज़ दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
Good job. So now we will have the category of 18 to 40. And the first performer in 18 to 40 is Ananya Nageshwara from Chicago, Illinois. Welcome and introduce yourself.
Jai Janendra, everyone. My name is Ananya Nagreshwara and I'm from JSMC. This dance begins with the Samosharan Mandal being formed by the Devtas. I will first depict the blooming lotus lake, the rise of the temples, the sparkle of the jewels, the 1,000-petal lotus that the Tirthankar sits on, and the Ashoka Raksha trees. Once the Samosharan is complete, the dance transitions into the story of Gautam Swami or Indrabhuti Gautam. Indrabhuti is filled with pride about his knowledge. When he hears that Lord Mahavir is preaching and attracting beings from all walks of life, he is angry and prideful. He sets out to challenge him. But upon entering the Samosharan, Indrabhuti witnesses humans, animals, devas, and even enemies sitting united by the presence of the Tirthankar. He receives an answer to his question from a single Om and his ego dissolves. He becomes the first disciple of Mahavir Bhagwan. In the final part of the performance, I will celebrate the unity of the Samosharan. Lions sit beside deer, kings sit beside peasant, all listening in silence. The Samosharan is a place that preaches unity and diversity through equality and peace.
Wonderful. So we have now Vanshika Shah from Washington DC. Welcome Vanshika. Please give your introduction.
Jai Janandra. My name is Vanshika, and today I have unified a series of Bollywood songs to show you the diversity of Bollywood throughout the years. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा मैं कहूँ मत कर को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा। मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस कली का फेरा, आना मोरा सैया जब आए, चमकना उस रात को जब मिलेंगे तन मन, मिलेंगे तन मन। पिया तो से, पिया तो से, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, नैना लागे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आके रे। जादू तेरी नजर, खुशबू तेरा बदन, जादू तेरी नजर, खुशबू तेरा बदन। तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू है मेरी किरण, तू है मेरी किरण।
All right, we all know this K3G classic. Come on, put your hands up.
देखा तुमको जब से, बस देखा तुमको यारा, yeah, देखा तुमको जब से, बस देखा तुमको यारा। तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा, यूं नजरे ना फेरो तुम, मेरे हो मेरे तुम। कह दिया you are my सोनिया, कह दिया you are my सोनिया। Okay, for this final song, I would love to see you all take your flashlights out, sing along, enjoy with me. मुझको इतना बताए कोई, कैसे मुझसे दिल ना लगाए कोई। Yeah. रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है हुस्न की खाली तिजोरियाँ, काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियाँ। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ मनाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ मनाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं। Thank you.
Marvelous, Vanshika. So now we have Chani Jain in the age category 41 and above from Raleigh, North Carolina. Welcome, Chani. She's a dancer, right? Do you want to sing or dance?
I'm going to hopefully not sing. I will dance.
Can you sing and dance?
I can try if everybody is ready for me.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Jai Jirendra, everybody. My name is Chani Jain. I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina. And thank you so much for Chicago Song for hosting us. This is an amazing platform for everyone. Keeping with the theme of unity and diversity, I am trying to present a experimental Kathak piece on few different music styles. You'll hear rap, you'll hear Punjabi, you'll hear some sitar, you'll hear Kathak rap as well. So try and enjoy and clap along if you like the songs. Thank you.
Come and move that in my direction. Thankful for that. Turn every situation into heaven, yeah.
Tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso.
Ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro.
जनक जनक तकता जनक जनक तकता जनक जनक तकता जिचकिट दिलांग दुमकिट दाता दुमकिट दाता दुमकिट दाता धा 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 थरकिट 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 तक थरकिट दादा दा धा 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 धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता धागिट तक गदिगिन धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता गिनतरान धागिट दित्ता धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता तरिकिट तक धागिट तक गदिगिन धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता जिचकिट 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 दाता हिट हिट तान कत तान धा तरिकिट धान तकिट धरकिट हिट धा करता धा तिट धा करता धा करदान धा करदान धा धा करदान धा करदान धा धा करदान धा करदान
तेरी मैं ता जागा रातां नू रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नू ओ हो 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 इश्क तेरा तड़पावे इश्क तेरा तड़पावे
क्या बात है शानी जी, क्या बात है। हर परफॉर्मर इतना शानदार है, तो आप सभी के लिए एक बार जोर से ताली बजा दीजिए। मैं आज आपका होस्ट हूँ संजय भंडारी। आई एम चेयरमैन विद जेंट्स गॉट टैलेंट। कभी कभी मेरी इच्छा होती है कि इन पर डांस करते मैं भी रास्ते में आके डांस करने लग जाऊँ, लेकिन मेरा जॉब खत्म हो जाएगा फिर। तो वी हैव नाउ अमी लखानी जी इन 41 एंड अबव कैटेगरी। शी विल बी डांसिंग एंड शी इज फ्रॉम डिट्रॉइट मिशिगन। वेलकम अमी।
Jai Jinendra and Pranam. My name is Amil Lakhani and I represent Jain Society of Greater Detroit. I shall be showcasing different forms of love as devotional, patriotic, romantic through folk dances from different parts of India. Thank you.
नटराजा नटराजा
नमामि नमामि ईश आराध्या पूजितम् नमामि नमामि शिव चरणों में वंदनम् रुद्रगणनाथ शंकरं पार्वतीनाथ तू शिवम् संगीत साहित्य आनंद अद्भुत है तनधिर नधिर न तनधे रागम तालम नाट्य नटराजन सुंदरम नादम वेद काव्यम नटराजन सुंदरम गायते नो गर्वो ने जीलते नो गर्वो गर्वो गुजरात नि गर्वी में रात जय गायते नो गर्वो ने जीलते नो गर्वो गर्वो गुजरात नि गर्वी में रात जय घूमे तनो गर्वो ने झूमे तनो गर्वो गर्वो गुजरात नि गर्वी में रात जय सूर्य चंद्र गर्वो ने तृप्तो पण गर्वो गर्वो गुजरात नि गर्वी में रात जय तगड़ू डोलावे ने मुजड़ू झूमवतो सहुने रे गमतो गर्वो रड़ियाड़ी रातो न लागे रड़ियावड़ो गमतो ने भमतो गर्वो के घूमतो
साजने पुण्य गावाची पुण्य नावाची पुण्य राजाची तू गराणी ग आली ठुमकत नार लचकत आली ठुमकत नार लचकत मान मुरडत हिरगराणी आली ठुमकत नार लचकत मान मुरडत हिरगराणी आली ठुम 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 ठुमकत नार लचक लचक लचकत आली ठुमकत नार लचकत मान मुरडत हिरगराणी ओ किवें तोड़ दूं कोई तेरा मेरा प्यार नी मूरे जट खाड़ तू खड़ा ओ
All right. Three of us, now our turn. Three of us will be dancing with these beautiful ladies.
Are you ready?
All right. Ladies ready? Okay. Come on in.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर ये जा ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जा मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर ये जा Isn't it? Isn't this Sham Mastani?
I think we are only two singing tonight, so please sit down here. All right. First of all, I would like to recognize these beautiful two ladies. JD Events. They are our event organizer. This whole thing in the all committees, they were keep upping with all the 44 committees, continuously talking with all of us. I think we may have called each other more than 5,000 times. And they will never said no, never get angry, never very, very down to earth. Thank you, Jankhana, JD, and thank you, Malvika. You know what?
Thank you so
Talking to her more, my daughter's daughter always with me, so she always tell Malvika, Malvika, Malvika. All right. JD, I was talking to her less, so you know. All right. Thank you very much, ladies. I appreciate. This is we appreciate. A very, very. You guys have done wonderful job. Two things we want to announce.
You wanna give a
Tonight, security will be very, very tight. We do not want to hear from any of you that I do not have a band. And don't come to us. If you lost the band, you cannot. We are not going to be allowing.
And you know why he's saying that?
Second thing, all the doors, all the dinner place. If you have lost your band, you will not get the dinner either. We need to have very tight security. We are thinking that we're going to have a bigger rush tonight, and we do not want to allow people who are not registered. So another thing that we have some surprise announcement. Vipul?
Yes, the reason why Atul Bhai is enforcing security tonight is because we are going to have one of the esteemed star of the Bollywood, Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood will be with us tonight along with Sugandha Mishra and her entire team. So please enjoy the evening. Make sure you come on time. And like he said, don't take an entry if you don't have a right pass.
And the reason we have chosen Sonu Sood, he does lot of charity works, and you have heard during the COVID time. All right? You want to
Yes.
sing something more? All right.
Oh, he'll be joining us around 7:30 p.m. for a special message from him.
He will be with us all the
He'll
time.
be with
after
us for the rest of the evening after that. But he will be sharing a special message with us. And we'll be
Don't go.
joining as part of the fundraising event as well.
that. Don't go, guys. More to come. Thank you.
Thank you, thank
JJT
you.
committee chair. More JJT coming. Thank you. Yes, we're going to have Saregama star and we're going to have Indian Idol star here. So don't go, more to come.
अतुल भाई, विपुल भाई एंड जिग्नेश जैन जी, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं आप और सबको एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं. तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि अभी हमारा प्रोग्राम खत्म हो गया है. सभी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए सब एक बार बहुत जोर से ताली बजा दीजिए, बहुत जोर से. हम लोग अब रिजल्ट अनाउंस करने वाले हैं बहुत जल्दी. आप कहीं जाइए मत, क्योंकि जिन परफॉर्मर्स ने 6 महीने से प्रैक्टिस की है उनको जब इनाम मिला तो आप उनको देखें। जय भाई।
बिन्नी नानावट, बिन्नी नानावटी, सुजल भाई, अनूप भाई वोरा,
हाँ।
and Renuka Ben. Please come here.
बिन्नी जी, सुजल जी एंड अनूप भाई।
Anup Bhai Vora and Renuka Ben, please come to the stage quickly. You are our great sponsors. I know
Please
Uday Bhai
be
could not
seated.
make it. We're going to just have them give the awards quickly. We have announcement to make. Raika Jain group is number 1, below 17. Mauli Wadi, number 2. If they are here, below 17 group, please come here. Quickly to the stage. Get the awards ready. Get the awards ready for sponsors. In the age group 41 and up, Nartan group is number 1. Rachna Kothari, number 2. Please come to the stage quickly. We gotta get going. Anup Bhai, please come here. And Renuka Ben could not make it, I guess, right? That's understood. Our wonderful sponsors, Binny and Sujal Bhai, please come here. Sanjay Bhai is going to give the awards to pass it on. First, we're going to recognize the sponsors. This is to recognize them. Please join your hands. Please. Do not go away. There is more to come. Please. Anup Bhai, please stay here. You're going to hand out the awards. And so will Binny and Sujal Bhai. So again, Raika Jain, group number 1. Mauli Wadi, group number 2. Age 17 and under. Rachna Kothari is group number 2. It's 2. Siddhi. Oh, Nartan group is number 1. Where are they? Please come up to stage. Let's get the awards going. Sanjay Bhai, please hand it to them. No, those are the awards for the... Uday Bhai, I'll take it. So get the awards, please, Sanjay Bhai. Sanjay Bhai, let's get the awards quickly. Okay, number 1. Siddhi Mehta, she's here. She's come to the stage, number 2. That's the age group 17 and under. Please be with us. Next one is Vanshika Shah, number 1. Age group 18 through 40. Ananya Nageshwar, number 2. Please come join us. 18 to 40. For 41 and up, Chani Jain. Next one, Ami Lakhani is number 2. Please come join us quickly. We're going to hand out the awards. We'll take one picture quickly and be moving on. First and second, right? Which ones are we talking about? 17 under group. Raika Jain is number 1. Mauli Wadi is number 2. 1 and 2. Nartan group. Number 1. Where is the Nartan group? Please come up. Don't wait. We got limited time. We got to be moving fast. Yeah, group number... Nartan group is number 1. Congratulations to all. Rachna Kothari, number 2, timekeeper. Please come to the stage quickly. You got your awards? No. Rachna Kothari, number 2. Rachna Kothari. Nartan group, number 1. Nartan group. They got it right. You did they get one or not? Let's speed up because they need the stage to prepare for Bollywood. Benny, you have one. Rachna Kothari group is number 2. Did they get 2? Judges, let's stay close here. Bela Gandhi, look at everybody else. Meeta Ramchandani. It's all done now. Photo can be taken, that's fine. Nartan group is 1. We already announced, right? Can't keep announcing again and again. Rekha Sangvi, Bela Gandhi, and Meeta Ramchandani are the judges. Seasoned judges, number of years of experience. We also have our timekeeper and a wonderful coordinator, Manisha Bhandari. We have Sanya Mehta. Sanya, where are you? Please come to the stage, Sanya. And Binny as a sponsor as well as she was a scorekeeper for us. Thank you again. I know Bollywood is setting it up as we speak. Enjoy the dinner in few minutes. Sanjay bhai. Thanks again to everyone.
I would like to thank everybody for this thing, for our Jain's Got Talent. आइए आपका इंतजार था, आइए आपका इंतजार था, और इंतजार की घड़ियां खत्म हुई, प्रोग्राम हमारा खत्म हुआ। आप लोग सब हमारे प्रोग्राम में आए, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा, और पब्लिक का एंथुसियाज्म, एनर्जी देखकर मजा आ गया, मजा। इतनी अच्छी पब्लिक हमने कभी पहले नहीं देखी आज तक। ठीक है।